Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. In this recipe, we will make delicious pancakes and showing you all of the ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Start by measuring out 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. This recipe is enough for 3 to 4 people, so if you are cooking for more, just double the recipe. In the same bowl of flour, measure out 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 4 may seem a lot, but this is the secret to getting the softest, fluffiest pancakes. As the pancakes cook, the baking powder is going to react and create an abundance of air, getting that perfect texture we want. Lastly, to dry the ingredients, add a pinch of salt. You can add sugar here as well as you would like, around a tablespoon. But some may prefer to add sweeteners with toppings afterwards. I prefer both. Use a cake stirrer or a wooden spoon to mix the dry ingredients together. I'll just use that. In a smaller bowl, mix the wet ingredients. First, crack a large free-range eggs. Followed by 1/1/4 or 310 ml of milk. I'm using a dairy milk, but you can substitute with soy or almond if you would like. Add the egg and milk, add in a 1/4 cup or 60 ml of cooled melted butter. This is optional, but I love vanilla and I add half a teaspoon of pure vanilla essence. Use a whisker or a fork to mix everything together, making sure the egg is well stirred in. Now make a well in the flour and pour in the wet ingredients. Now stir the batter and ingredients together until there are no longer any large lumps. I've kept these pancakes plain, but if you like, you can add blueberries or chocolate chips or any other imaginable flavoring. Now would be a good time to do so. When you are ready to cook the pancakes, heat a heavy pan over a medium-low heat fire. When the pan has heated up, add a small amount of butter to the pan to melt. I think you're going to mix this. Scoop out about 1/3 cup of butter and pour it into the pan. Leave the pancake to spread on its own and cook for a few minutes. You'll know when it's ready to flip when the air bubbles start to form on top. If you are unsure, just use a spatula to lift the pancake a little and check the bottom. Flip and cook for a further few minutes on the opposite side. If your pancakes are browning a little quickly, adjust the heat. Place the cooked pancakes on a plate and repeat the process again. You should get about 6 to 7 pancakes out of this recipe, so continue until you are out of butter. You can top the pancakes with maple syrup and any other favorite toppings. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe. Stay safe and I will see you soon in my next video.